like to welcome our state leader, Ronnie Lingo, who is here. Sarexam, our MP, Madam Deborah, working president, for being with us this morning. And Sarifa, who is the secretary of Sarifa Yaman IYC secretary, is also here. And along with her, there are two other members who will be running the membership. To start with, we'll just start with a follow tribute to our late Prime Minister, Mr. Jawaharlal Nehru, on his 135th birth anniversary. So I'll just ask our leaders to just put some powerful. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. I hand over the microphone to Sarifa.
Thank you. Respected dignitaries on the stage, my colleagues from Youth Congress election team, and the people, colleagues from the press and media. Today we are here to launch the Youth Congress membership in Meghalaya. The previous committee has been dissolved and they have successfully completed their tenure. And on this launching, we are so thankful to the leaders of Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee that they are present here. And we are also thankful to the press and media who have come here. In this launching, we have certain criteria which we will talk and discuss. We'll let you know about how Youth Congress works and who are eligible. The criteria, the dates, and everything will be announced and informed to you in person. So, before we proceed to the next level, I request Madam Deborah to kindly speak few words about this Youth Congress membership and about the organization part of Youth Congress. Thank you. Good morning.
This is membership launch of the Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress. As usual, this time we are going to have an election. We will start with membership launch. That's why they are here today, 14th November, Shillong, and 16th tomorrow. They are going to Garo Hills. So, election procedure will start. Nomination will be there. Objections, nomination scrutiny, finalization of nomination, membership registration, membership payment. All this will start. After completion of all these things, that election process will start. Election date will be announced, I think, later on. Sarika?
No, it's this membership only.
Okay, all right. So now, from the MPCC side, we are here to support Youth Congress. We are always supporting. So I think in a democratic setup, it is a good gesture of the party to have a fair and free election. That's it. What to say now?
Thank you very much and welcome to our in charge, Sarifa Rahman and Mr. Prakash Kumar and Manchal Khandai, who represented the Indian Youth Congress. They're all in charge of Meghalaya. And my senior leader, Madam Deborah Marak, and our Honorable Member of Parliament, Shri Salinge Sama, a good friend of mine, you were colleagues in the Assembly, of course, is a Member of Parliament. So So and Mr. Manuel Badwar, Sanjay Das, and all the others members of the Youth Congress. So welcome the press fraternity. Thank you so much for sparing your time to be with us here. So I think this is launching of the membership drive for the Indian Youth Congress. Because we would like to explain, the party doesn't exist only to fight elections. The party is there. We have, from all section of all walks of life, included in the Block Congress Committee, District, the ICC Committee, and then we have the Women's Wing, we have the Youth Wing, then we have the Sevadal, we have the, so many other wings of the party to contribute to the well-being and welfare of the country. So we just don't exist to fight elections, but we exist here to work for the welfare of the people at large. So youth plays a very important role in any activity of life. So even in politics, we want to involve the youth because, for example, now in India, about 50% of the population is comprising of youth below the age of 25. So we want to imbibe in them this spirit of service, this is a spirit of working for the welfare of the country. So we are launching this membership drive to attract youth to be part of the political system so that we can bring about the change for the better for the country and ensure that all the youth believe in inclusivity, believe in democracy and uphold the principles of the Constitution of India. That is the principle of this Youth Congress and attract the best talent to be part of the Congress party. Because, for example, there is one small country, it's called a city-state, Singapore. Singapore invites the best minds, the most brilliant minds to enter politics. That's why you see the difference in Singapore, where Singapore, a tiny state, maybe militarily it doesn't matter much, but when it comes to economically, it's a economic superpower. So we'd like to transform our state, we'd like to transform the country, so that all the citizens of the country can have a better life, better future. So with this, we will launch this membership drive so that we attract the youth from all walks of life, especially those who would like to see a change for the better to be part of this great party, which is about 37 years old. Thank you very much.
I think you have spoken. How many people?
Yes.
That's how voting are good.
We notice what we don't want to give free publicity. This company, we cannot give free publicity to this mineral water bottle.
Oh, right now. Anyway, I would like to thank Mr. Rahman, who is the IYC in charge, who has called me to attend this membership launch of youth, along with Simachal Kandai, IYC Election Commission, Prakash Kumar, and my friend Rory Vilindo, who is also the MLA and leader CRP leader, and Madame Devola, who is also the working president, along with Sanjay and Manuel, and all the working members from the Congress Committee. Well, now, we used to see all kinds of critics from all the angles. The essence of democracy lies with the beholder of, criticism, you can say. Now, Congress party is giving an opportunity for all kinds of youth to come and express, in a sincere and in diligent manner, so that we might be in a, they are the future, they are the backbone. So they might be, they might be in a place where they can highlight themselves what are the truths and what are the reality. Because people are trying to hustle away from the truth. Critics are the criticisms are the criticisms, all sorts of
negative activities that is going on within our state. Now, Congress is giving a platform right now at this juncture. So, whoever wants to change the future, who wants to reform and transform not only the society but the state, the assembly, now they have the opportunity to come and then highlight themselves. So, likewise, there will be the assembly committees in each and every constituency, district committee, district, state committee. So they can participate in this election and then launching of membership, where they can come forward and then highlight their talents, highlight their issues, highlight the problems, where we can consider everything and then see what can and how it can be transformed. So they should come forward. And then I would like to thank the organizer and the IYC team for organizing such beautiful membership launching. Otherwise, if we don't invite right now, in the future, criticisms and all kinds of negativity will not change unless and until you take part, unless and until you be part of the system. You see, this political party and then Congress is one of the oldest party, and its ideology is for the people. It is not against. We are not like BJP. Unlike BJP and few other parties, they are centric to their idealism movement. But this is one of the best party where you can highlight everything for each and every level of people. Let it be caste, creed, any walks of people within our country. Anyway, I would like to thank this opportunity, especially the IYC team. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any questions?
After the launch, yeah, it is better to ask.
So, as our leaders have already mentioned, that it is a democratic way of doing the election, and Youth Congress is the only wing within the Congress who has given an opportunity to all the youths across the nation from 18 to 35 years who falls under youth can come and join us. And we are having this election at 5 levels. Number 1 is the assembly, 2nd is district GS, 3rd is district president, 4th is state GS, and 5th is state president. So it's if you reverse it, the elections will be for the post of state president, state GS, district president, district GS, and assembly. So anybody who would like to contest and become a member here, they have to file their nominations. And after the nominations, we'll have a scrutiny, and finalization of scrutiny, we'll do the finalization list of candidates which will be published in our website. After that, we'll open the membership launch. Along with the membership, the election process will be done simultaneously. When you go to the page, website, and when you have to do everything through our app, which is known as With IYC app, which you can download it from the Play Store or App Store, register yourself, and proceed with the process. So once you download, register yourself and proceed with everything, you'll get the option of nomination till membership, date-wise, whatever the dates has been scheduled. And everything will be done online, there is no offline process. In the app, we have options of becoming a member till nomination. If somebody wants only to become a member, they can become a member only. If somebody wants to contest and become a position holder, a designated person, they can prove the nomination, file their nominations, and be a part of this election process through membership. Apart from this, I would request the election team is here, Mr. Prakash Kumar and Simanjal ji, to address the media and inform about the rest of the terms and conditions and the dates of the election process.
Thank you, Madam Surepaji. Welcome to my Selain Sanumaji MP to the Parliament our CLP leader Rani ji, Devara ji, our president, our Himachal Khandai, Sanjay Das ji, General Secretary NPCC, and media staff. Membership fee. First, I am members should be 18 to 35 years in age. Second, should be citizen of India. He should not be a part of any other political organization or must their membership in any other political organization. The cut-off date for membership are 14th November 1989 to 13th November 2026. Most important thing, all process in with IYC application. No offline process with IYC application. Membership fee is 50 rupees. There is only one channel with IYC mobile app and on Android as well as on iOS. Candidate must submit the photo and photocopy of any of the document, Aadhaar card, driving license, voter ID card, passport, and then passing certificate. Voter ID card is compulsory. No other document will be accepted by IYC. After the membership is over, the list is enrolled. Active member will be checked on basis of ID card. Photo member of need to a live photo from ID or other document will be estimated. Video member should clearly mention her name and say applying for membership of Indian Youth Congress within 8 seconds. If the video is unclear or the name of Youth Congress membership is unclear, the membership might be rejected. List published at the time of scrutiny as follows: first, in process list; second, on hold list; third, reject list. Eligible criteria: Assembly, District and State Committee. Minimum 10 vote is compulsory for Assembly Committee. Minimum 20 vote is compulsory for District and State Committee. Those filing nomination for the State Youth Congress President ballot may have their nomination rejected if they do not have real experience as an office bearer in the Youth Congress. Accordingly, candidate for the General Secretary ballot must have been previously associated with Congress. However, the General Secretary position will be open for all candidates. Nomination fee: Assembly Committee 500, subsidized 250, District Committee 3000 and subsidized 1500, State Committee 7500 and subsidized for 4000. Subsidized fee for SC/ST women and BPL candidate. One person, one post. The process of membership and election is committed to one person, one post. Considering the same it will assume that every candidate have resigned from their existing post in the organization before filing their nomination. Candidate is responsible for any violation. Thank you.
So I will come to the last part, that is the dates. The membership launch, as we are doing it today, it's 14 November here in Shillong. We are doing it on 16 November at Tura. And from 16 November onwards, the nomination will start. So the nomination time is 16 November till 20th November. If there is any objection, like any complaints against any candidate regarding disciplinary or anti-party or anything, then anybody can raise a complaint through our website.
Antisocial.
Yeah, antisocial also. So the objections can be raised through the website, that is www.ycea.in. Anybody can raise a complaint with the valid documents through the website, and the objection date is from 17 November till 21st November, 5 p.m. Then comes the scrutiny. Once the nominations are filed, after the objection period, we will do the scrutiny of all the candidates, including the documents and the previous ideology when it comes to the party. So the nomination scrutiny will be from 22nd November till 24th. And finally, on 25th November, we will publish the name of the candidates category-wise in the website, also in the app. After this, the membership registration will start from 29th November till 15th December. So, during this period, when someone is making a member, after filling up the form of the membership, they will also get the name of the candidates at each level. That means the membership and the election, the voting will happen simultaneously. So once you go to the app, you make a member. After that, you get the option of voting the candidates. After that, you get the payment gateway. You complete the payment of 50 rupees per member, and then your voting and membership is completed.
That is for the active member.
Yes, this is for the active members, and those who become member only they have the rights of voting. Anybody can make anyone member, but only 18 to 35 years can become a member. For example,
18 to 25.
yes, the last age is 35. Anybody who is under 35 or within 35 or 35 can only become a member of Youth Congress. So at last, if there is any issue within the payment gateway also, everything is online, then the last date is up to 16 December. Due to technical reason or for anything, if anybody faces any error, then they can pay it within 16 December. So this is the schedule. Apart from this, if there is any technical error in the app or any network issue, we have offline option within the app itself. Like in remote areas where we don't have network and all, there are batch system within the app which you can do the membership, but you cannot make the payment. You can do everything in your phone, upload everything, keep updated. Whenever you come in proper network, you make the payment, your payment gateway is complete, then your membership and voting is complete. So this is how we are going to do, and we request through you, through the media friends, I would request all the youths of Meghalaya to come forward, become a member of Youth Congress and fight for your democratic rights. Because this is the only platform which Congress Party is giving to each and every youth of Meghalaya, each and every youth of the country to raise their voice. And this is the right time, and you all are in the right place. Please come up and join us this venture, and together we can build up the Congress Party into new heights. Thank you.